What's all this business about gold bar levels?
Unlocking how to trade SMT transformed my trading forever. In this video, I will teach you what SMT is, how you can identify it on the higher time frame, and this will allow you to either capture swing trades, which you could hold for many weeks, if not months, or use it for your intraday trading, because then you know what the higher time frame bias is. Now have a look at this massive pump on the DXY. Okay, what was it due to? There was no real economic news driver. The elections hadn't happened by then. It was still in September. But nonetheless, we had this violent reaction. You could have predicted this move if you understood SMT. Now, SMT has a fancy name, but traders have been calling it divergence for decades. Divergence occurs when you have two assets that are correlated or inversely correlated when it comes to GBP and the dollar index, and a discrepancy occurs between one of the assets, which leads to the other asset moving. It is a predictive indicator. It is not lagging. You're using real-time candles to understand where the institutions are buying or selling in mass. Now, have a look at this price action. SMT isn't between any arbitrary high or low on any arbitrary time frame. You have to understand the key levels, and I'm going to map out those key levels for you now. So we are currently in November 2024. Let's have a look at the key levels for 2023. So this is the beginning of 2023. And this is the end of 2023. This is all the price action for 2023. Now let me box it for you so it's easier to see. Okay, this is all the price action. So once you've boxed the price action, you can map the prior year high and the prior year low. Let's also do that for the dollar index. Prior year high, prior year low. Now, what do you notice? You'll see that GBP swept the liquidity above the prior year high, whereas the dollar index didn't. We had a failure swing. Now, these two assets are inversely correlated, which means as the dollar index rises, GBP will fall. Okay, so this is why we are looking at opposite ends of price. This is divergence, and this is the divergence you're looking for. So going forward, whenever you see higher time frame SMT, be it between key levels that are yearly levels or monthly levels, I want you to consider using that as your bias for your short-term intraday trading. This way you are in line with the institutions. Now, this is just scratching the surface of SMT. There's a lot more information. Now, I trade Forex, index futures, metals, energies, and crypto using my time and price golden bullet strategy. If you would like to learn more about it, click the link in the description below.